What's up, gardeners? Welcome back to Hardy Gardening. I know it's been a long time since I posted. We've had some stuff going on in the house here, and I haven't been able to get out here and film while I'm doing my gardening stuff. But as you can see behind me, it's growing like crazy. We've just had some crazy wind in the past couple days. It's broken our peas down. So today, that's what we're talking about, peas. We're gonna show you what to do if they get too tall and fall over. And we're gonna harvest what we got ready right now, so let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into the video. So really simple here. I had staked them to the top of the fence here. All we're gonna do is take our shears, we're just gonna cut them where they broke off here. These tops, get one loose here. These tops are all loaded with peas. And they're all ready to be harvested already. So I'm just gonna cut all these tops off, and then I got a bowl. We're gonna harvest them all just from the tops. The bottoms will continue to produce. I'm gonna harvest the peas from those as well, probably. So yeah, we'll just get to it here. I'm just gonna, even if they didn't break some of these, I'm just gonna harvest them all around the same height just to stop them from breaking in the next couple days when we got a lot of wind coming anyways. The variety that I grew on the other side of the fence didn't get as tall, so it's not gonna have this issue. So there's Artemis there. He loves the peas. He's always waiting around when I'm in the peas, waiting for a snack. Artemis. Oh, you missed it, dude. There, he's found it. He's gonna crunch that. He loves the peas, so. See, I just cut them all about the same height as the fence. They'll all grab back on there. On this end, they'd broken off way lower on the stalks, so I had to cut them off a little lower, but they'll be all right. There's just tons of peas. I've been eating a bowl full of peas off of here every day, me and Artemis out here. But let me get these stalks cleaned up. I'll show you guys what we got harvested just from those. That's what we got just off of those ones that broke off. So I like to also pull these off. You just pull them straight off. That doesn't damage the pod. Got most of them there. So a lot of these are getting pretty thick. They're pretty good if you can eat them either just crunching on them as they are, or open them up and take the peas out. You can freeze those peas. If they're in the sun too much, like if they're getting ready to pick and they've been in the heat in the sun too much, the shell can get chewy, but not always. So this probably is about perfect for still eating like this. Some of these are still really skinny. I would have let them go a little longer, but these skinny ones are super crispy, perfect for just crunching on as they are. That's me and Artemis's favorite right here. Yeah, he loves those peas. All right, buddy. He's always out here in the garden with me. So, yeah, that's what we got off of those. And not to worry, none of this is going to waste. None of the stuff in my garden ever goes to waste. It goes right into my compost bin that has a giant thistle growing in it right now. But I put grass clippings, our food scraps, just vegetable and fruit scraps. We don't put any meats in there. Just made this out of a couple pallets. But I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is harvest the rest of these peas that are already big and good to go. I'm gonna leave the skinny ones on the plant. That's all off of this one side. So I'm leaving these skinny ones to get a little bigger. Somebody's still waiting for peas over there. We're gonna move on to the other side of the fence. You can see this side of the fence a little harder to get at because all my peppers are in the way. I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of my garden as it is now on the next video. But we're gonna get the rest of these peas harvested here because some of them shells are getting chewy and I don't really want that. I want to be able to eat them whole. So this is what we got here. We got one full colander of peas. That's a pretty good haul, and I would say there's probably about that much left on the plant. Still small ones, you can see them in there, just tons of them. Still skinny small ones, so we're probably gonna get at least another one of these, if not two, I would say, before the heat gets them. And once the heat gets your peas, they kind of start turning, plant turns yellow, but there's some absolute monsters in here. So that's all there is to it. You can save your peas. They're just delicious eating them fresh. Me and Artemis just love it out here. As always, guys, if you like this kind of content, if you just enjoy watching it, if you learned something, let me know down in the comments. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. It'll really help the channel grow. And that's it for this video. Catch the next one for a tour of my whole garden. Thanks, guys.